Khadija. First of all, I'm glad to be a part of the Embryology training program. With this, I would like to thank Chennai Fertility Center for this wonderful opportunity. So through this program, I have excelled my skills and knowledge in depth on embryology and embryology part. So in this course, through the embryology part, we have gone through semen analysis, vitality test, morphology staining, and sperm freezing. And in terms of the embryology part, we have done oocyte picking, pick up, denudation, ICSI, and also freezing, and it is all done using animal oocytes. So from this training, I could say that I have built up my confidence, and I am very much confident enough to attempt any kind of procedures now when I go back to my center to attempt any procedures. So with this, I would like to thank the one who guided me, Dr. Thomas, Dr. Krishna, Mrs. Abhinaya, and the fellow trainees who have guided me and support for this past 15 days. So with this, the one who wants to do training in embryology, I would definitely recommend them to do it in Chennai Fertility Center.